For the review section, we have a little bit going on here. I'm setting the H4 here, the position title. That's all H4. I'm giving it some padding bottom, font weight, padding top here, just to give it some. I believe that might be the person name. Position title is an H6. Person name is the H4. I'm giving it some padding top for spacing, setting the font weight, and giving it some padding bottom to get the position title under it a little bit. So you can change that there. This guy here, this mid height 400 pixels, 300, that's the half image, half text deal that we go over in the general section video. So if you haven't been to the general section video yet, check that out. All right, so review the first one here, which is this guy. We're setting the images to width height 100 pixels each, these here. So square images will be best, or these circle images already, just replace what these are, is best. And it looks like, I'm doing that here. That's sorry, in the reviews too. Setting that, and then also setting some H6 style there for the position title. And then this is actually a slider, so I'm doing some adjustments on mobile just to get the arrows closer to the edge. When you add extra slides, you'll see that. And the only thing is on the reviews 5, on tablet we're saying no margin at the bottom for column 1 there. So we get rid of that margin. All right, that's it for this one.